morning students. Hope all of you are fit and fine. I am Miss Karima. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. So students, today's our first topic is story problems. Before going to start our topic, let's watch a video.
Story problems. But today we will learn how to represent the information given in the problem with statements when we solve it. It is very interesting. So, shall we begin? Look at Jamie's apple shop. He sold 3,860, 2,343 and 1,847 apples on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday respectively. How many apples did he sell in all? Now, to understand the problem well and to know what to write as statements, ask these questions. What is 3,860? What is 2,343? And what is 1,847? The answers to these questions will help us form the statements for the solution. 3,860 are the number of apples sold on Monday. So, we write the statement as apples sold on Monday, 3,860. 2,343 are the number of apples sold on Tuesday. So, we write the statement as apples sold on Tuesday, 2,343. 1,847 are the number of apples sold on Wednesday. So, we write the statement as apples sold on Wednesday, 1,847. Now, let us add these numbers to get the answer. Thus, the total number of apples sold, 8,000.
So students, this is our first story problem. So, read this question. Mr. Sharma spent 8,990 on train fare, 3,250 on hotel accommodation and 1,990 on taxi fare. When he visited Chennai, how much money did he spend altogether? Means, when you read this word altogether, it means it is based on addition story problem. Means altogether, altogether, all and both. Altogether, all and both. If these words you find in your information or in your question, it means this is based on addition story problems. Okay. Now our second thing is, how would you extract your statement from the given information? For this we will follow some questions. How? Like, these are the numbers given in this information and put question, what is 8,990? So find where is 8,990. That is the Mr. Sharma spent on train fare. Now you can write money spent on train fare. This will be the answer. Okay. Now second question, what is 3,250? What is 3,250? You can see that is the money spent on hotel accommodation. So write this statement here, money spent on hotel. And 1,990 is what is? It is the taxi fare. So you can write money spent on money, taxi fare. Okay. And in question, what did you find? Means you will find the money spent all together. Means you will add all this. So money spent all together. And add it. You can easily add. Start addition from the ones place. Place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 0 plus 0. Add first two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23. 3 will be the carry and 3 will be at ones place and 2 will be carry. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 2 will be the carry. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Means at last you will write your answer. Money spent all together. How much money? 14,230. This will be your answer. Now students, our second question is, a shopkeeper sold 30,950 chocolates on Monday, 17,825 chocolates on Tuesday. How many chocolates did he sell in all? First of all, read this word. This word will help you to find out whether the question is based on addition or subtraction. Means all, if you see the word all, that means it is the story problem based on addition. Okay. Now write these numbers and put the question. What is 30,950? What is 30,950? That is the number of chocolates sold on Monday. So this will be your statement. Write here number of chocolates sold on Monday. Okay. Now put second question. What is 17,825? What is? That is the number of chocolates sold on Tuesday. So you can write number of chocolates sold on Tuesday. And you have to find the number of chocolates. How many chocolates did he sell in all? You will add both. Okay. Now add it. That will give you total number of chocolates sold. Total number of chocolates sold. Now add. First of all, place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Start addition from the ones place. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 will be the carry. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Now put comma in 1000 house. Okay. Now total number of chocolates. How many total number of chocolates sold? 48,775. So student, do this practice question by yourself.